Hello, today I will break down my three trades, my three last trades of previous year. First of all, environment in which I was trading was, as you can see, orange. We have two types of markets, trending and ranging. I have two models, one that is operating on the trending markets, the second model that I'm using on ranging markets. This was the second one. As you can see, tight range. We are stuck in a tight range, going from the low of accumulation to the high of accumulation. What you can do to navigate this order flow is simple. Pay close attention to the liquidity. Because as you can see, we are moving from the low to the high to the low. So basically you have to position yourself in these key points. Okay, so let's now move to the lower time frame because you already know my point of interest. My point of interest was liquidity. So the first trade was long. We swept this liquidity, created SMT, and I anticipated that market open will distribute higher. So I positioned myself in advance of it, right there. My position was fully closed around here because we was rejecting this every time, so I closed my position right here. Okay, so let's now move on to the next position. As you can see, this black line is liquidity, so it's my POI that I was showing you at the beginning of this video. So price tagged my POI, my POI. Take a look at intermarket relationship because we had big SMT right there. Also we had smart money time at the exact smart money reversal, and my entry was basically after this bullish candle was closed. So I entered immediately, closed stop loss around here. My take profit was all the way higher. As you can see, this candle created breaker because we had low, high, low, high, high, low. So this becomes the breaker. I could get a better risk reward if I would wait for a retracement, to be honest. But I was very sure about this position, and to be honest, I didn't want to not to lose this trade, so I sacrificed a little bit worse risk reward just to be in this position. The third trade and the best trade was this one. I don't know why we didn't tapped into it. I think I marked this wrong because we tapped into this liquidity. We created SMT divergence on the highs, and the perfect, as you can see, the perfect change in state of the lever, the ZUSI market structure shift, when you have the high, low, intermediate, term low, here high, and this also becomes a breaker, inverted value gap plus breaker. Here is the intermediate low, and this is my entry. Stop above the high, and I fully closed the position around here, so it was 5.6 risk reward. The important fact about this trade is the function of 10 IM. So as you can see, 10 IM straight distributed lower. Okay, and why 10 IM just distributed lower without creating any patch, just straight distribution? If the smart money reversals are already in, the only function of 10 IM is to distribute. It also amplifies to the macro. If smart money reversals in outside the macro, the only function of macro is to distribute. That's why I was anticipating, I was expecting distribution at the 10 IM open. Now I marked this out properly, so let's go back to the lower time frame. I wanted to show you that my POI was tagged.